Here we are again in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this brand new 2022 Coachmen Sportscoach model number 365RB. It's a diesel pusher, 10,000 pound tow hitch. This is being run by a Cummins 340 motor, so you have plenty of torque. This is a very affordable, brand new diesel pusher, so if you're looking for an inexpensive, affordable, brand new diesel pusher, this could be the one for you. It's a great floor plan for families or couples. Let's go have a look. You got here a nice outdoor 40-inch TV. You can watch football games, you can tailgate, do all kinds of stuff. So this is a little bit over 36 feet, so it's a kind of a medium-sized diesel pusher. You got the drop-down bunk, of course. That'll sleep a couple of adults or a bunch of kids. Of course, you got the seats that rotate. Again, this has got the Cummins 340 XCS motor, and it's sitting on a Freightliner chassis. So this is obviously pretty heavy duty. It's designed for that. You got a nice dinette table. I really like the grays. They really pop against the white countertops. You got the stainless steel fridge here with an ice maker. I think you can probably store at least 200 beers in here, so you can travel well. You got a pantry here, very deep pantry. More storage down there. You also have storage underneath the dinette seats, as well as here too. Again, white Corian countertops, and you got these here, so you got some extra workspace right here with these toppers. More storage, a very large microwave, 3-burner gas stove, pretty standard. And again, I kind of mention this every now and again, but ovens are kind of going away. They're going to convection ovens, so it's nice to have this feature of actually having a real oven. So very nice floor plan here. Again, more pantry storage right here. I really like this. You got an extra large sofa, which obviously converts into a bed as well. And I just love this living room environment. It's a great viewing angle. It's a 40-inch TV with the electric fireplace, so you really have that real nice ambiance. It warms the place up. So you have because this is 36 feet, you have a half bath, and then the full-size bathroom in the back, and I really like that about these larger motorhomes. Have a look. And then as we move into the bedroom, I'm a big fan of these darker colors. This is more of a chocolate mocha versus the cherry wood. You got another 32-inch TV here with extra storage. This motorhome is also prepped for a washer and dryer, so if you wanted to option the washer and dryer, you can do that here. Very easy. Beautiful king-size mattress, king-size bed. Nice headboard there. You've got USB ports, very comfortable area. And of course, as you move back here, you got a full-size shower and a lot more space. Have a look. So this is a really nice motorhome. Again, it's a brand new 2022 Coachmen Sportscoach 365. So it's about 36 feet. It's got the Cummins 340 diesel engine. Come have a look. A beautiful motorhome. It's very affordable. Come on out to BISH'S in Junction City. My name's RKavanaugh. Ask for me. I'd be happy to show you this motorhome or any other motorhome we have on the lot. Inventory. We have the best inventory in Oregon. We have the most inventory in Oregon. Come on out, have a look. If this is not the one for you, we've got plenty of others I can show you.